this ice and safety. Gonna grab my O2 bottle here, gonna crack it, make sure there's air. Close it up, grab my regulator, make sure that these prongs go in these holes. Ensuring I got a good seal, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up all the way. Ensure that I have pressure, so I have just over 1,000 ps, or excuse me, 2,000 psi. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure air is coming out of the regulator, check for any leaks. I'm going to connect my non-rebreather to the regulator, open it up to 15 liters of oxygen. I'm going to pre-fill my reservoir bag, stick my finger in here, make sure it's all the way up. I'm going to apply it, the non-rebreather, to my patient, ensuring that it's snug to my patient.